And good evening, everyone. Chief Meteorologist Dave Roberts here. We are talking about weather this evening, and I hope you're all having a good evening out there. I'm going to move the mic over a little bit so I can better control the computer. It's acting a little wonky on me tonight, so just work with me. Let's see if we can get this thing to work or not. I think it's trying. So we will take trying. There we go. Any day of the week. All right, let's talk about it, shall we? So temperatures are actually a little warmer now than they were 24 hours ago. That's an improvement right there. We were 31 degrees just 24 hours ago. We're now 42 out there. So that is a big deal right off the bat. As far as our weather's concerned, we're seeing more clouds streaming in right now from the south and west. And that's an indication that the weather's starting to change on us a little bit. There is a system in the Gulf that's moving in our direction. It's starting to form. And so we're starting to see some cloud cover as a result. This is our Market Max cam. Just want to show you temperatures from around the region right now. And you can see we're in the upper 30s and low 40s out there. Hey, Josh Carrero, thanks for joining us this evening. Appreciate seeing you. And we saved a seat for you, so I appreciate you being here for this. And then you could see, as far as our weather's concerned, this is the next weather maker. Now, it's not an impressive one, okay? It's sending some clouds in our direction, some high clouds. That's all it's done so far. Nothing more significant than that. But it is something we'll watch this weekend. There will not be any severe thunderstorms from it, so don't worry about that. That's really the good news. But there will be some rain from it. And not everybody's going to see the rain either. So you can see we've got a good amount of cloud cover streaming in from the southwest. They're high clouds at that. And the rain will continue moving in our direction. So that's going to be another feature that we'll be seeing this coming weekend as well. But it's mainly going to be on Sunday. It's not going to really be any sooner than that. So it's important to note that. This is what high-res future radar looks like. We say high-res because we're using a high-resolution model. It goes closer in to kind of show what's going on with the weather. And this really gives you a better idea as to exactly what we're going to be seeing. And you see those showers pushing on through. I mean, all in all, we think most of it's going to happen during the day Sunday, but I don't see any real significant weather with it. There may be a rumble of thunder, but beyond that, I think it's just going to be a cold, chilly rain that's going to hug the Gulf Coast through most of the weekend. Now, overnight tonight, bundle up. Another cold night on the way. Temperatures are going to fall into the upper 20s and low 30s. But I, for one, am happy about the other changes that are going to be taking place in our weather. I mean, I cannot wait for that. And that is just having those warmer days ahead. They cannot get here soon enough, in my opinion. It's just been kind of brutal the last couple of days. So I'm looking forward to warmer temperatures for sure. And hopefully you are as well. This is what we're tracking. It's going to be just below freezing overnight and in the morning. And then as we go through the day, things will moderate. We'll have some clouds. The weekend will be a little bit warmer. There may be a little rain. And then when it comes to looking at next week, a big warm up is heading our way with partly sunny skies. So just keep that in mind that things are going to change. Now, the 24-hour temperature change looks like this. It'll be about 10 degrees warmer. Or it is 10 degrees warmer, I should say, than it was about 24 hours ago. So we're already starting to see the warm up. And yes, tomorrow will be a little bit warmer too. As the clouds spread in, we'll still see some breaks of sunshine. But that system in the Gulf is going to get more and more it's going to get more and more organized in the northwestern Gulf, and it's going to continue to move across Mississippi as well. So that will increase our chances for showers. There's a wind chill out there still, though, folks. All right, don't kid yourselves. 37 is what it feels like right now in the Jackson metro area, but the whole Gulf is cold. I mean, even through Orlando, look at Orlando. They're not much warmer than we are. 51 in Orlando, 70 in Miami. That's about normal. But Brownsville's 41, Houston's 39. So the whole Gulf region is really dealing with chilly weather right now. And even with this system getting going, I just don't expect that much out of it. So it's going to gradually warm up this weekend. But the real warm stuff won't get here until sometime next week. So just keep that in mind. This is the forecast, and we're going to show you the Saturday afternoon because there's a mixture of clouds and sunshine Saturday afternoon. But then as we go through it, rain will be on the increase Sunday morning. This is sunrise Sunday morning. And you see that you can see that we're going to be looking at some showers out there, but some sleet may mix in as well. Showers will be on and off. There'll be some heavy rain potentially Sunday, but you want to go farther south if you're really looking for rain. That's where you're going to find it. Otherwise, from the metro north, not as much rain. There'll be some scattered showers around, and this is the way it looks going into Sunday evening as well. The rainfall models are really all over the place, and the reason they're doing that is because this is not going to be a well-organized system, so it kind of makes sense. It kind of makes sense about why we're seeing such a disparity in what the forecast models are indicating for us. So compared to normal, we're going to be about 10 degrees below normal for the weekend. But today we're almost 20 degrees below normal. So I guess that's an improvement, right? Upper 60s, low 70s for Monday and Tuesday. I cannot wait. I really cannot wait. Here's how we're looking on the First Alert Skycam network. Harder to see now. Got a lot of clouds that have streamed in there. In fact, mostly cloudy skies right now. The free First Alert weather app, a great resource to use when you're not near your TV and you just want to get a forecast hour by hour, or you could check out forecasts for other cities, or you can even look at the radar when you need to. We're not expecting any rain or snow or anything overnight tonight, just cold weather. Temperatures will be in the lower 30s out there. So as far as tonight's forecast is concerned, another freezing night, right? Temperatures will drop below freezing out there. And then for tomorrow, we'll see temperatures make it into the low 50s in the afternoon with partly sunny skies out there. I want to show you this 7. We'll make it the 10-day First Alert forecast. Look at next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Upper 60s, lower 70s out there, and staying on the warmer side going into next weekend as well with 50s and 60s. So Helen Bell, thank you for standing up for us. Okay. I usually stand up. And is there even a chair around here? But okay. Good to see you. Michael Quick, hello. Joyce Burleson, good evening. Okay, you care about the rain or you don't care about the rain? I don't know, but bring on the warm weather. Yeah, that I'm ready for either. And Mike Holbrook, I know you can't wait either because it's chilly in Florida, Mike. Mike's living the life, golfing every day. I'm proud of you, Mike. I really am. And I see you there. And now he's texting me too. How about that? He's multi-talented. So folks, do you have any questions for me about this weather? Anything I did not address, anything I didn't talk about? I just cannot wait for next week. And I will tell you, it's a nice 10-day First Alert forecast because I just don't see any severe weather signatures right now as we stretch things out. We're almost to Mardi Gras. The forecast goes one day shy of Fat Tuesday. So Debbie Reeves, I know you're looking forward to the warm weather just like I am. Yep, absolutely. But we're almost there. Warmer days are definitely on our way, and we're going to be there very soon. But it's been kind of a weird winter with high peaks and low valleys, and that's really how it's been the whole winter, which is the reason why the Gulf Coast has had more snow than much of the Southeast and really much of the Northeast. There are places in the Northeast that have had any snow compared to what they've seen, say, in Mobile or Biloxi or New Orleans. So it's been a crazy winter like that. But spring begins here in less than a month. Remember, it's the March 21st. So we're getting closer and closer. What's today? Are we on February 22nd? 21st? No, 1 month from today. So we're getting there. And that's certainly some exciting news. Well, folks, I think I've pretty much stated it all. I appreciate you checking in with me this evening. It's nice to see you all again. We are streaming this on all of our streaming apps on your televisions, so be sure to check us out there. You can also watch us on WLBT.com as we do this show at 6:30 at night, but it's just basically the show after the show, and I hope you have a good night, and thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and try to stay warm this weekend. Remember to wear layers because we're not out of the thick of the cold just yet, but the worst of it is certainly over. Breno Wallace Dowling, you sent a picture of ice shooting out of the ground. You sent it earlier from Summit. I will definitely take a look on the free First Alert weather app. And Nay will be here for tonight, Fox 40 News at 9 and WLBT 10 p.m. news. But you all have a good weekend.